these in bulk and not spend a whole lot of money. Hey, how you doing? It's me, Asiel Hardison. I'm a dancer, choreographer, and I'm here with Desire Company. Today I'm showing you like one of my favorite products from Trader Joe's. They have these ginger shots, turmeric shots, and Arceola cherry shots. I'm a dancer, so the ginger shot kind of wakes up the body, gets my metabolism going, gives me some energy as well for rehearsals. The turmeric shot, turmeric is good for inflammation. You know, when you're doing 8 hours of rehearsals, your muscles tend to get a little bit of inflammation, they tend to swell a little bit. So I like to take the turmeric shot in the mornings just to kind of keep that stuff at bay, keep it at ease so I can do my job. The Arceola cherry shots, I just did a job where I was working through a knee injury. So I was like looking up anti-inflammatory foods, and I saw that cherries were actually an anti-inflammatory food. So went to Trader Joe's. They have these cheap little shots for $1.99. Now that's a steal because a lot of these shots can be like $3 to $4, but Trader Joe's has them for $1.99. So I saw this Arceola cherry shots and I was like, let me grab like 10 of them so that I can like have these little shots throughout the day to put in my body, give my body those supplements that I need to like make it work for me. So it was last week during rehearsal when I discovered that they have these small little shots for cheap. So I grabbed like 10 of them. It's a steal. They taste just as strong as anything I would get from like Creation. I shop at Creation often. The benefit for me is the price. I can get more bang for my buck. The turmeric shot, when this is pretty normal, it has a little bit of coconut water, lemon juice, and black pepper, which is good for the immune system. Ginger can be super spicy, and they diluted it with coconut water, which is good for your body. I mean, some people may have sensitive stomachs, so I think diluting the ginger shot with the coconut water was a smart move on their part. I recommend these for dancers, creatives, anybody who moves, anybody who has a very active lifestyle, anybody who gets up early in the morning. It kind of wakes the body up and gets you ready for your day.